Guys, today we are going to be doing the fuel lines on a homelite blower vac, a little handheld blower. Any of the parts that you need will be in the description below. No big deal. Some fuel lines. I can put the whole kit to carburetor, everything. I'll put all that in the description below. It comes with carburetor, fuel lines, filters, everything, spark plug, everything you would need to do the whole thing, change the carb, everything. Yeah, let's get right on into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this gas cap off. We're going to drain all the old gas out of that. We don't want any of the old gas in there. We want brand new fresh gas when we change fuel lines or do anything carburetor wise. I'm just going to take this air filter cover off to maybe give us just a little bit better view. Probably isn't going to do much. Alright, looks like carb is leaking on this one. Smells like bad gas. Maybe we'll be alright when we put the new fuel lines on. That's all this guy wants is new fuel lines on his. Anyways, he doesn't want to do new carb and everything. So that's what we're going to give him. We're going to just go ahead and remove these. The right hand one's just a return line. You can probably pull it out with a pair of needle nose or something. It's kind of crumbling here. You see it's just disintegrating. That's the ethanol in the gas. The other fuel line is the one with the filter. We're going to cut it off. Pull it out the top. Here, look. Maybe. There we go. And then reach down in there, grab it, pull it out the bottom. And this one's disintegrating. That's why it wasn't running. See, the outer comes separated from the inner. Craziness. Alright, more than likely this filter is going to be reusable. So you just spray it out with carb cleaner. Wipe off any of the dirt you got here on the top of the gas tank. We're going to go ahead and with some carb or brake cleaner rinse out the two holes that the hoses go in, and then we're going to give her a little gush inside, and we're going to drain all that out, blow it out with air, make sure there's no debris. Like there's old pieces of fuel line and everything in there. We want to get all that out of there. And then again, the filter, we can rinse it right out if you want to reuse it, and it's fine. Alright, first fuel line, we're going to cut into a point, like so. We're going to start with the right hand hole. We're going to get shoved in there, and we're just going to push it in about an inch. If you're finding you can't push it in, just reach in, grab the point, pull it down a little bit. Boom, that's the first one. We're going to pop it up. Get you a better view here. And just throwing stuff around. It's the return line, so it's going to be this one here. So we're going to cut it to size and put it on, just like that. That's your return line. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this fuel line into a point as well. And then we're going to put it in the left-hand hole, or the one closest to the actual body. And that one we're going to grab. Oh gosh, shoved in there a little bit. We're going to grab that one and pull it out of the mouth of the gas tank. Come on. Like so. We're going to cut off the tip, and then we're going to shove the fuel line on it. shoved in there nice and tight. And we're just going to shove that filter back down in all the way to the bottom. Run this one up to the second spot. Cut it off to length like that. And then we're going to go ahead and dump some gas in it. Fresh new gas. And then we're going to prime it. Primed up. That's a good sign. If you look down in here and you're priming it and you see foam coming out of the left hand line where the filter is, that means you've got them hooked up backwards and you need to flip the lines around the other way. No guarantee this is going to run. We're going to full choke it. So that way is full choke. It's already primed. Switch is on. Full throttle. Take the choke off. And this one doesn't want to run. I thought it was going to be a carb. You need a little squirt, make sure it's not something simpler. Oh, it might be flooded. Let's check the plug on it. Plug's brand new, but it's soaking wet. So we're going to go ahead and give it a little spray off the carb cleaner and then blow it off. Pull it over a few times. Try to get some of that gas out of there. It's really wet in there. I'm going to blow it out with air. And again, more than likely this is going to need a new carburetor, but he doesn't want that. We're still going to try. Alright, and full throttle. Yeah, it's just flooding. Yeah, he needs a carburetor. Alright guys, if that helped you out in any way, shape, or form though, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the whole thing in the description below. But if all you had to do is the fuel lines, that's how you do them. Pretty easy. Yeah, you want to do any advertising? Anything like that? Want to sponsor me? Want to send me some cool stuff to do reviews on? I'm more than happy to have you on my channel. Peace.